Okay, so now we're gonna talk about the next. Obviously, pink box. If you're a Kylie Jenner fan, you know exactly what this pink box means. But yeah, so everybody was hyping up the Kylie Jenner cosmetic line, and I wasn't really sure. Every time I looked, it was like, man, I would love to have Kylie Jenner lips, right? But the reality is my lips are not shaped like Kylie Jenner's. So, I finally decided to take the plunge, right? She did the 12 days of Christmas, and she had these trios, which you got 3 of her lipstick for like $20. So I ended up getting 2 trios, which gave me 6 of these babies. And I fell in love. Anyways, I fell in love. She ran another sale. I don't know if it was, I'm not even sure. After Christmas sale. Really pushing her products, man. Once you sign up for her emails and text, I get a text like every couple of days. But, so I ordered 2 more things, and let's look at it. Let's look at it. Kylie's box always comes with a cute Kylie. Anyways, you always get this cute little personalized card in there. It just says, thank you for celebrating our 4th annual holiday collection with me. I hope you have a safe and happy holiday season filled with love. Always, Kylie. Obviously not handwritten. It's printed. Clearly she doesn't have enough time to write everybody's postcard. Packaging slip, which we don't need to look at. But so here's what we got. We got this, and we got this. The box is empty. So I was pretty excited about this because I did do the trios, so I just got the lipstick and I didn't get the lip liner. And my best friend, of course, was like, girl, you have to get the kits. The kits are awesome. So I did get the kits. There's 2 of them in there. So I'm excited to give those a try. And then my other friend, she is really into this loose setting powder. Now, I have a setting powder that I like. It's Arbonne. But I figured this was on sale. Figured I'd give it a try. I don't know. We'll see. Loose illuminating powder. There's not a lot of product there. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of disappointed in the amount of product. But, oh, I see there's a sticker over the holes. Anyways, yeah, there really is not that much product there. We'll give it a try. I don't know. We'll see. And then for the lip kit, I got Bear and Victoria. I'm really interested in the Bear because I like my nudes. But I also do love a dark lip. This one is kind of red for me, but it came together. I couldn't choose. So here's the liner. And there's the Victoria shade. That's going to look pretty. That is going to look pretty. Pretty excited about it. Makes me want to make a video. I should swatch these, shouldn't I? Should I swatch these? I feel like I should. Ooh. Mama likey. The smell of these are just so pretty. Ignore this little, it's not dirt, I swear. My child made me put on a temporary tattoo, and those temporary tattoos are not temporary. Let's just talk about that for a second. This baby has gone through like 6 showers, some scrub downs, and this is the residual crap left over. But anyways, let's look at that color, man. It'll look good. And I've got the lip liner to go with it. I am not a huge lip liner fan. I have only ever joked around with lip liner, I guess is the best way to put it. I have never been serious about the lip liner. But we're gonna try it. Anyways, thanks for watching, and yeah, maybe I'll do some swatches. Let's just talk about the smell. If you've never tried Kylie Jenner lipstick, do it. If you need to wait for a sale, do it. They smell good. The wear is pretty good. I've got 6 of them, and I've tried most of them. I like them. The wear is nice. Some last longer than others, but I think that's to be expected. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.